What's up YouTube? Mateo the Moose Catcher here. Usually I do fishing videos, but today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a seafood boil, mukbang, whatever you want to call it. And there'll be a video description of every ingredient I use, proportions, everything whatsoever, and let's hope it comes out good. For the seafood boil, you're going to need salted butter, garlic, black pepper, Old Bay, chili flakes, red pepper, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning from MCcormick, lemon pepper, paprika, Louisiana hot sauce, corn, pound of shrimp, 2 lobster tails, some crab legs, and potatoes. Oh yeah, we can't forget the limes. Very fine. And put a teaspoon of each one of those seasonings that I showed you in the beginning of the video, except for Old Bay. You're going to put 2 of those. It's going to be a little bit better of a seafood flavor. So you're going to put 4 sticks of butter in there, about medium high, along with the garlic. You're going to let that cook first.
Hey, that just goes to show,
Okay, so once the butter's melted, you're going to add all your ingredients, all your spices. You're going to let that cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Let those seasonings incorporate in that butter. Alright, once it gets up to a boil, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce. Or maybe more if you want it spicier. I like it a little spicy. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, you're going to want to reduce the heat. Start adding your seafood. While you have your corn and potatoes boiling in a separate pot, soften those guys up. So here we go, we start adding the shrimp. I already got the lobster tails in there. Okay. Alright, so after you got your potatoes all done, shrimp should be done as well with your lobster. Just add everything in nice and slow. Let that all marinate with each other for a couple minutes and just fall in love. How's that look?
Dog, look at all this shit, dog. Cookies. Good.
That looks